What if your ESP32 could become a tiny wireless billboard? Today, we'll build a Wi-Fi text badge that pushes live messages onto this 1.28-inch round GC9A01 TFT. No level shifters, no soldering, just plug, code, and type. Let's dive in. Parts list is refreshingly short. An ESP32 DevKit V1, the 240OEX240 GC9A01 display, and 8 jumper wires. Power is simple. 3 V3 to VCC, GND to GND, then VSPI lines. GPIO 18 is SCK, 23 is MOSI, 16 for DC, 22 for chip select, and GPIO 8 has reset. Backlight stays tied to 3. If your dev board's pins differ, just tweak the defines in the setup file. We'll see that in a second. Code time. We pull in Wi-Fi.h, webserver.h, and of course, TFT ESPI. The sketch spins its own access point, SSID GC9A01 display, running a tiny HTTP server on port 80. Quick security tip, the access point password ships as GC9A011 2025. Change that before you take this to a con or a meetup. An open badge is an easy target. I'll type, "Hello LX3D works." Hit send and boom, instant update. The TFT SPI driver lets us clear and redraw fast enough that even long text feels snappy. I'm Alex, this is Alex3D Works. See you in the next DIY robot upgrade.